Meaning of greengage.
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 Greengage. The word greengage refers to a type of sweet and juicy green plum fruit that is typically round and slightly smaller than a regular plum. The name greengage comes from the original cultivar, which was reportedly introduced to England in the early 18th century from France, where it was known as rainclod. Greengages are a popular fruit for eating fresh, as well as for making jams, preserves, and desserts. They are also used in some alcoholic beverages, such as liqueurs and brandies. In summary, greengage is a flavorful type of green plum fruit that has various culinary applications.